The cosmological standard model had two flaws, each making it impossible. All matter and energy appearing in an instant, a moment of creation. That's magic. Calling it a singularity that is something outside physics is semantics. Magic has no place in any scientific theory. And the observed accelerating expansion of the universe requires either the constant generation of an ever-increasing amount of energy pushing it, or an infinite amount of dark energy and dark matter pulling it. And each breaks a fundamental law of physics. A model that doesn't require assumptions that have no justifiable mechanism may have neither of these problems. Albert Einstein predicted in his theory of general relativity the rate of time in space was proportional to the gravity acting on that space. A predictable consequence of this deduction is that a light year cannot be a reliable measure of distance in space, because while the speed of light is fixed, we measure the distance it travels in Earth years, not the time the light is travelling through. Accounting for this insight of Einstein's, the centre of the universe becomes the source of time, a focal point of gravity pulling the Sun and through the Sun the Earth on two separate waves in time into a future that lies beyond the centre of a theoretical universe of space. Time is radiating from this centre, and the Sun and the Earth ride separate waves.
Ooh.
Rather than accelerating away from a singularity, the evidence suggests we are tethered by time to a singularity of the future, a universal source of life. When Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity is interpreted in this way, no assumptions are required. It conforms to observation and breaks no laws of physics. It also predicts time must be a force. The cosmological standard model was built on assumptions that can no longer be sustained. We can choose to concede errors were made in the past, or we can perpetuate miracles of science. You are invited to explore the thought experiments behind this idea for free. It's your mind.